convert 61 grams per centimetres cubed into kilograms per metres cubed. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is sort out my conversions. So the first conversion I need is from grams to kilograms. And we know that there's 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So to get from grams to kilograms, I'm going to be dividing by 1,000. If I go back to my original question, I've got 61 grams for every 1 centimetre cubed. So if I want to turn this into kilograms, I need to divide by 1,000. I can use a little place value table if I need to. So I've got 61, there's my decimal point, and I need to divide by 1,000, so move 3 spaces, 1, 2, 3, so it's going to be 0.061. And that's in kilograms. But we're still in centimetres cubed at the moment. So that's my next conversion that I need to look at. So I need to demonstrate this using some cubes. So I'm going to use 2 cubes exactly the same size. Here's my cubes. And the one is going to be measured in metres, so it's going to be a metre by a metre by a metre. So that's 1 metre cubed. And the other is in centimetres, and we know that there's 100 centimetres in a metre. So it's going to be 100 times 100 times 100, which is going to actually be 1 million centimetres cubed. So let's just write that out. We've got 1 metres cubed is actually 1 million centimetres cubed. So I want 1 metres cubed. Well, I need to think, well, how do I get from 1 centimetre cubed to 1 metres cubed? Well, actually, I need 1 million centimetres cubed. I need to times by 1 million. Because I want 1 million of these actually makes 1 metres cubed. That means that if I'm timesing by 1 million on the right hand side, I need to do exactly the same on the left. I need to times by 1 million. Get my place value again. So we've got 0.061. I need to times by 1 million, so that's moving 6 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 6 is going to go here, the 1 follows, and then just zeros up until the decimal point. So I've got 61,000 kilograms per metre cubed. 61,000 kilograms per metre cubed.